Spice up your English, Unraveling Idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and vibrant expression that you might have heard in English conversations. Spice up your life. This phrase is not just about cooking. It's a colorful way to speak about making life more exciting. Stay with us as we explore what it means, how to use it, and share some examples to help you incorporate it into your everyday English. Spice up your life is an idiomatic expression that suggests adding excitement or variety to one's daily routine or life in general. The word spice here is metaphorical, drawing from the idea that just like spices add flavor to food, new activities, experiences, or changes can add interest and excitement to life. This phrase can be applied to various contexts, from personal hobbies and social activities to work and relationships. Using "spice up your life" in conversation is pretty straightforward. It can be a suggestion, a personal goal, or a reflection on past experiences. Here are a few examples. Suggestion: if you're feeling bored with your weekend routine, try to spice up your life with a new hobby or sport. Personal goal: this year, my resolution is to spice up my life by traveling to places I've never been before. Reflection: taking up salsa dancing really spiced up my life last year. Remember, it's all about adding that extra flavor to life, so feel free to use it whenever you're talking about making things more interesting or exciting. Understanding and using expressions like "spice up your life" can significantly enhance your English fluency and help you connect more deeply with native speakers. Idioms can add color to your language and help you express yourself in a more nuanced and culturally relevant way. Plus, they're fun to learn and can be a great way to expand your vocabulary. We hope this video has added some spice to your English learning journey. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about embracing the culture and expressions that make it vibrant and alive. So, go ahead and spice up your life, both in English and in your daily activities. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.